Discover the astonishing health perks of incorporating matcha tea into your daily routine. Originating in Japan since the 12th century, matcha boasts an array of advantages. This vibrant green tea has stood the test of time in both Japanese and Chinese cultures, celebrated for its energy-boosting effects and longevity-promoting qualities. Dive into this video to uncover the myriad health benefits of matcha green tea and decide if it aligns with your wellness goals. What is matcha? Matcha, a powdered form of green tea, holds a cherished place in Japanese tea ceremonies and has gained global acclaim for its health benefits. From matcha shots to lattes to desserts, its versatility knows no bounds, gracing health stores and coffee shops alike. But what sets matcha apart? Unlike traditional green tea, matcha undergoes a unique cultivation process known as shading, wherein tea plants are shielded from direct sunlight for 20 to 30 days prior to harvest. This technique enhances chlorophyll production, boosts amino acid content, and lends matcha its distinctive rich green hue. After harvesting, the entire leaf is finely ground into a nutrient-packed powder, retaining the full spectrum of tea leaf nutrients, including vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin B, and antioxidants. Health benefits of matcha tea. Enhanced detoxification. Matcha tea contains chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse the body of harmful toxins and heavy metals. Regular consumption of matcha can support your body's natural detoxification processes, promoting overall health and well-being. Improved digestive health. The high concentration of catechins in matcha tea has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help promote a healthy gut microbiome. Drinking matcha tea may aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. Balanced energy levels. Unlike coffee, matcha tea provides a sustained release of energy without the jitters or crash often associated with caffeine consumption. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha promotes alertness and focus while inducing a sense of calm and relaxation, leading to balanced energy levels throughout the day. Lowers cholesterol. Regular consumption of matcha tea can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, mitigating the risk of heart disease and related complications. Protects the liver. Studies suggest that matcha may safeguard liver health, shielding against damage and lowering the risk of liver disease. Improves brain function. Matcha's caffeine and L-theanine content enhance attention, memory, and reaction time, promoting cognitive function and relaxation. Boosts the immune system. Matcha's immune-boosting properties combat harmful viruses and bacteria, bolstering overall health and vitality. Aids in weight loss. With 0 calories and a metabolism-boosting effect, matcha facilitates fat burning and calorie expenditure, supporting weight management efforts. Prevents cancer. Matcha's catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, exhibit potent anti-cancer properties, inhibiting tumor growth and combating cancer cells. Improves skin health. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, matcha promotes youthful skin by shielding against UV damage and soothing irritation. Incorporating matcha into your routine. To reap the benefits of matcha, simply whisk 1-2 teaspoons of matcha powder into 2 ounces of hot water until frothy. Embrace matcha as a healthier alternative to traditional teas and savor its potential to enrich your well-being. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you make the switch to matcha? Your feedback fuels our journey towards a healthier, happier lifestyle. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wellness insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards vitality and longevity with matcha green tea.